Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Afterpay on Walmart app. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Walmart app on my phone. And this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys right here, in the homepage, you're going to find the search bar, your card and sign in option. And here in the bottom, there is some other sections like my items, search, services, and account. From here in accounts, you can add the payment methods. In order to use Afterpay to pay your orders, you need firstly to search for an order. For example, I'm going to search for Christmas Inflatable. And then once you search for the product that you want, you're going to find a list that includes all of the results. For example, I'm going to select this one. And then right here, you're going to find the product name, some pictures of the product. And right here, you're going to find the price. And under it, you're going to find the buy now option and add to cart. You can also add a protection plan. So I'm going to click on add to cart. And now the product will be added to your cart. Right now, if you want to see your card, go back and then right here in the top right corner, go ahead and click on your card icon. Once you do that, you're going to be right here. And then you can check the products that you want to buy. And you can click on check out all items right here in the bottom. Once you click on check out all items, make sure that you are signed into your account. And then once you are signed in, all you need to do is pay your order. You're going to see a lot of options. Make sure you use Afterpay and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.